So you see
So-
over here, these are the values that they're asking you to calculate percent error for. Right?
So
So you got the mass of Jupiter. I'll see if I can mark this up for you. So like this one here is with this one here. The orbital period, that little dot, right? That's P, is the orbital period over here. Do you guys follow that? Wendy?
so number 5 is the orbital period, you said?
No, 4 is the orbital period.
Oh, 4 is the orbital period. Okay.
5 is the semi-amplitude. Okay. Then it just simply asks if you have any values off by more than 50%, you know, what would you redo? What can you look in your measurement, your calculations, and so on. Okay. And then for 9, you calculated the AU of the planet, right? Where does it fall within our solar system? Okay. So you're just going to plot it on there. Okay. Step 4, exploring the observation. So this here is the temperature of our solar system versus distance to the sun graph. Sort of did something very similar last lab, right? We have a distance in the sun in AUs. You have the temperature of the solar system in degrees Kelvin, right? And you just calculated, right, the distance from this planet to its star. And you're basically going to try to figure out what its temperature would be on this graph. So you're just extrapolating that right here. Okay. Once you do that, what they want you to do is we want to figure out, does it make sense that this star, this planet, right? Does it really belong where it is with regards to its star? Okay. Because they're saying that this planet's really close to its star, and it's a planet like Jupiter. And does it really make sense that this planet is where it is? So we're going to use this equation. This is the hydrogen. Where is it? We're going to determine the velocity of the molecules of hydrogen gas in the atmosphere. Everything's there for you. All you have to do is calculate it. Okay. And then they give us that the escape velocity of Jupiter is 60,000 meters per second. And they give us some more information. And basically we want to say, hey, does this make sense? You know, is this actually possible for this planet to exist where it does in its solar system around its star, Pegasus 51? And then step 5, you're just putting things together here. All right.
I don't understand number 12.
Is this condition satisfied?
Is
That
it a
is
yes or no
the
question?
gas velocity less than 1/6 the escape velocity? Okay, in working with Jupiter, the gas velocity is that. So after you calculate this, then you can do your comparison.
So is it a yes or no question, or you put
Yeah,
it up?
it's just a yes or no.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
But, stop sharing. And again, I'm like holding the surface a little weird. If you're struggling anytime during the week, email me. My phone is on me. You know, I'm taking the social distancing seriously, so I'm staying home. I could jump on the computer, get your email right back. You know, if we need to set up another Zoom, we could do that. But really try to just, put the effort in and do your very best on the lab. And that's really just my recommendation there.
Professor, I have a question.
Mhm.
For step number 3 in the table,
Okay.
The semi-major axis would be number 7 in step 2,
So step 3.
or would it be number 4?
Step 3 in the table, right?
The
Sem-
semi-major axis,
so I'm
the
going to
left.
highlight this with orange,
Okay.
right? You can see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now when we go back up here,
I don't know if it's number 4 or number 7.
this is this K. A, A. So that's going to be 7
7. Okay.
in AUs.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And then the K in green here that I'm highlighting,
Okay.
that is going to be 5. What you got there. All right. And you could see right off right away, you could tell, like, if your answer's like, way off from these answers, that you're getting here in the published, go right back and just redo it, retry the problem, and just see where you made your mistake, and then if if you're like, you've been staring at it for like 20 minutes and you can't figure it out, email me and, I'll point you in the right direction. Okay, anything else, guys? Let's see, how do I get out of
For step 5, so it's basically just a conclusion of what
you've done? Yeah. So step 5, you're just basically putting everything together, analyzing your data, analyzing the results, and just kind of putting everything together there.
And one more question on step 4. It's already plotted, so we're just looking at the graph, right? And then answering the questions based on the graph.
Step 4. Yeah, step 4 is already plotted for you. You're not making any graphs or anything. And with question 11, the equation's already set up for you. So you just got to plug the numbers into a calculator and press enter.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So again, if that's it, I'll let you. I would, start working on this tonight. Get as much done as you can. Don't wait for the last minute to get this lab done. And then just, as questions come along, just email me. And like I said, I'm free all week, just like everyone else. So email
Professor,
me.
I'm sorry.
Get right back.
When is it due?
I think we have it due Friday.
Okay.
Can anyone confirm that for us?
Yeah, this 417 still.
4/17, is that Friday?
Yes.
Okay.
All I know is
Thank you.
yesterday, today, tomorrow. So, yep, 4/17 is Friday. So, all right, guys, have a nice night. Again, feel free to email me. Anything I do to help out, I'm here. And we got this lab, we got another lab, and then we got the 2 observations. And any questions on the observations or anything?
What does he mean by clear sky? So
You just need a nice non-cloudy night, right? I mean, if you go out, I would not do the observation tonight. Just a non-cloudy night where it's clear and you can see some stars.
are we supposed to go somewhere else? Like,
No, you could do this. You could do this right from your house, around your house, through your window. I looked over the lab. I think all you need is like a toilet paper roll, and you're just basically making some observations outside.
Okay. I live in Queens, so there's barely any stars.
So-
Too so much light.
And your results should show that because you would have a lot of light pollution over there. So if you're doing this at various times during the night, you know, in the beginning of the night, you might only see one star, then you might see only a few more, then it might, you know. So that's why I think on the bottom of the lab it says have your zip code there,
Okay.
right? So just again, you know, with the given situation, you know, just do your very best to get it done to the best of your ability. And you know, I totally get and understand what, you know, this everyone has a different situation and whatnot.
Okay.
All right, guys. Anything else? Or
No.
I'm good.
all right. Well, you guys stay good. You know, I'll set this up again for next week. Would you guys rather just go earlier next week, like 6:25, or would you rather stay later? I don't know. And what for the final lab that we got to do?
Next week, Monday.
Yeah.
I could do regular lab time, 6:25. I'm still working, so I gotta still get up.
Just get it done early. So we could do 6:25, and if you can't make 6:25 and you need me to sign back on a little later, like I said, I got literally nothing going on.
6:25 is good.
All right, so next week for the next lab, we'll stick to 6:25. And I'll just do like we did tonight. I'll go over it the best I can using what I have. If you have questions, we'll answer it, and then throughout the week, I can help you guys, you know, get it done to the best you could. All right.
Thank you, Professor.
No problem, guys. Hey, everyone, stay healthy, okay?
You too.
You too.
Thanks, Professor. Take care.
You too, guys. Good talking to you guys.
You too.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.